Hey, good day. It's September 10th, 2013, and I want to do a Netflix evaluation today. Netflix ran up very heavy, and this was the stock of the day for me. Basically, looking at Netflix on the daily, you can see that it's been having a pretty good run. Now, I kind of played around and tinkered on it on this line or level here, but I didn't really get into it too solidly. I was playing around with some contracts and things like that before because the volume just it didn't appear right and the market didn't look right. However, today, watching the volume, watching the action, watching the price, I knew this 300 level would be a little bit of a resistance level. And when it opened in today, I went in huge. I went in big. And, I'll just tell you, I bought 10 contracts, in option contracts, actually, because it was just an amazing run as it kept going. So I leveraged up on the option contracts, and I started selling some of those contracts throughout the day. So I went in with 10 contracts, and I know that it worked well because right here, this was the thing I was watching. Was basically I was looking at this level. When it broke this, I knew it looked good because of, look at this volume here. This volume, we had 648,000 in that first 15 minutes versus the previous one was 580, and the other previous day was 292. So compared to the other days, I mean, looking at the volume, it just outdid it. And looking at that one again, it outdid it. And then again, we just had more massive volume coming in. So if you take a look at it, it just kept coming and kept coming. I basically I didn't get in it right away because I think of the initial market as the jungle, the first 15 minutes. So I actually held off and I waited till about the break of that 300. When it broke 300, I noticed this volume was high. I just wanted to verify that it broke 300 just because the market's been a little iffy. When it broke, I went in huge. And so it's up $18, so 1,000 contracts for me. Let me just put it to you this way. It's more than 1,000 shares when you think about it. So if you had 1,000 shares and you had an $18 run right there, that's, $18,000 worth of gains. And that's all you really need. You only need one or two good stocks per year or one or two good runs to kind of make your year. So this was it for quite a good heavy run if you did it. Now in it, I'm in it pretty heavy, right now. Still got about 7 contracts remaining. I sold a few going into strength just because I played this one with options a little bit and not so much on shares, taking into account the volatility and stuff. So in either case, that's the way I traded this one. Normally, I don't recommend you do the options unless you know what you're doing due to time deterioration, and you're going to lose some theta on that. But if you know what you're doing, either through vertical spreads and some other things, then you might be okay. So on this one, if you're in it, it's looking like it's moving for higher prices at the moment, but stick to your stops if it starts pulling back. So for example, if it goes for this 308, 309, 310 level, then again, stick to your stops. As it goes up $5, $10, peel a little off. I didn't even expect it to go $18. It was a great run. I was hoping for $5, $7. That would have been fantastic, but it just continued higher. So fantastic on the run. If you caught this one, good job to you. More power to you. So that's just kind of the Netflix trade and my evaluation of it. And I'm going to do another recap on the indices and other stocks here shortly.